Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a missing Wi-Fi icon in Windows 11. Whether your Wi-Fi icon suddenly disappeared from the taskbar, or you just want to make sure you can connect to the internet without any hassle, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Windows 11 settings by clicking the Start button and selecting Settings, or just search for it if you don't see it. Once you're there, go to Network and Internet, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, and then select Network Reset. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and restore networking components to their default settings. Tap Reset, press Yes, and your PC will restart. Next, check if your Wi-Fi icon has reappeared in the bottom right corner. If it hasn't, open Device Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Expand Network Adapters and make sure your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. If it's disabled, right-click it and select Enable. If it's already enabled, try disabling it and then re-enabling it. This simple on and off can often solve the problem. Once that's done, check your taskbar again. If the icon still isn't showing, run the Windows Troubleshooter by searching for Troubleshoot Settings, then click on Other Troubleshooters. Locate Network and Internet or Internet Connections and click Run. Windows will automatically test your network and suggest any fixes needed to restore your connection. After completing these steps, your Wi-Fi icon should be back, and you'll be able to connect to your networks easily. It's also a good idea to keep your network drivers updated regularly. This helps prevent future issues and keeps your system running smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix a missing Wi-Fi icon in Windows 11 without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?